My name is Lorvin and I am the eldest in our family. I am currently working as a public school teacher at Bakwit National High School. I believe in the saying of Malcolm that education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today.
Lorvin, your Mr. Asia Pacific Philippines Pangasinan, Mangaldan.
The town of Mangaldan is one of the oldest towns in the province of Pangasinan. It was founded in June 1600. Mangaldan is classified as first-class municipality with 30 barangays and 4,847 hectares land area. There are three versions as to how Mangaldan got its name. The first version relates that one day a Spanish missionary inquired from one inhabitant about the name of the place in the Spanish language. Thinking that the missionary was asking for water, the inhabitant replied, "Mga alay adan," which means Adan is fetching. The second version states that Mangaldan got its name from the first native chief of the town named Babaldan. The third version says that the middle of the plaza was a big mango tree laden with fruits. The inhabitants were free to gather the fruits, but it resulted in quarreling among themselves. The meaning of the quarrel in the dialect is man nga ngal ngalan. Processed meat, native cakes, bagoong, and cutleries are the main products of Mangaldan. My advocacy is to promote the agritourism or agriculture-related tourism sites in the municipality of Mangaldan and the ecotourism all over the province of Pangasinan. Our environment needs humans' tender loving care, and we can do so by engaging in environmental activities that also improve our quality of living, such as tree planting. Trees have lots of benefits, and tree growing is an essential way countries across the globe are doing to avert the harsh impacts of climate change. We have seen the damage it brought upon us in the form of super typhoons, monsoon rains, landslides, and erratic weather conditions. In the sides of the streets, parks, and backyards, trees are grown as it brings an aesthetic and peaceful environment that also brings natural elements and wildlife habitat into urban settings. It also deflects sunlight in the cities, thereby reducing the heat island effect.
My name is Lorvin from the one of the first-class capital of Pangasinan, Mangaldan.
Mr. Asia Pacific Philippines, Mangaldan.